Hi guys. Mm, I set up a small mirror to my Land SSV 14. I set up it here on the B-mini top, and I organize myself this all stuff, and it is good here. Why I set up this mirror? Because when I sit on my uh, the seat, and sometimes I have two fishing rod there and here, and I am trolling maybe, and it is very easy to see in the mirror when it start to bite. Tick tick tick. Yes, and you don't need to uh, 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 keep back your uh, head. It's very good. And another thing it's good you when you drive here with this tiller motor, you can always look what happened on the stern here and further. And I think it is good setup for me and very helpful. Have a nice day.